barbecue fam? Today we're doing up something crazy. Some chili cheese dog poppers. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So we're gonna get the char grill at 980 up the temp. We're cooking about 275. First, we're gonna throw on a couple hot dogs. They are ballpark the beef hot dogs. Throw those in, smoke them up for a while. Then we're gonna cut them up. We're also gonna throw in a can of chili. Let that warm up, and we're gonna mix this all together with some cheese. Put that in the jalapenos. Wrap it in bacon. Oh hell yeah! Now we gotta assemble these guys. You cut your jalapenos like a boat. Then you can put the cap back on and wrap it up. Easy peasy. As much as you can. Stuff away. Now, we're going to cut the hot dog right in half. Cut it in half. And then cut that in half. God damn. Should work out. Not a lot of room for chili, but maybe you should go chili first. There's not a lot of room for chili. Man, we still gotta wrap. Oh boy, here we go. Now you're not gonna get a lot of chili in there. Then once you got that, cap it, wrap it in bacon. Oh hell yeah. Bam. There you go. So once you got all your jalapenos ready, you dash them with a little bit of Uncle Steve's smoke bomb. Oh hell yeah. We're putting this in right now at 275 and we're going for about half an hour, 40 minutes. Now just sit back and have a cold one. We're calling an audible. I got an idea in the middle of this cook, so let's see what we got rolling. This hopefully comes out great. Like I said, you weren't gonna get that much chili inside. And I'm thinking really should do the chili after the cheese instead of the dog first. But here's the idea. And the bacon was not the best at all. A little bit of cheddar cheese. Quite a bit actually. Give me a hell yeah! I'm gonna put that back on the smoker for about another 5 minutes. Everything was going for about, so these poppers took 45 minutes at 275. And they're done, but now they're dumped into the chili. They're going back on with that cheese to melt. Oh hell yeah. About another 5-10 minutes tops. These are gonna be rocking. Oh hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. We're gonna have to cut one, taste one. Oh, hell yeah, you know the deal. It's gonna be hot as all hell. I just pulled that guy out. A bite of this madness. Oh boy. Bottoms up, folks.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Damn. I thought I went a little too long on the poppers. The jalapeno usually go too long to get mushy. This was still crunchy. Over an hour in the smoker and dunked in into that chili with the cheddar around it. Man, that's a badass popper. Oh hell yeah. And then because it's still in the pot, you can dunk into that chili, or you can pull it out, run some chili over your popper. Oh hell yeah. Badass. Awesome. Even with some thick ass bacon. These were badass. Give them a try. I will leave everything I did down below. The recipe will be there for you guys. This was killer. Oh hell yeah. I will catch you guys on the next cook.
I said give me a hell yeah!
You never know. Check that out. That spot. That is badass. Give me another neck. But I tell you, only when I'm making a video. Every train, fire whistle, loudspeakers on motorcycles drive by. The kids come running out. Been playing games all day, but nope, not when I click record. Hell no. We got stuff to do outside now. Or you got people running in and out of the back porch. Life of a YouTuber.